Hi everyone, I'm Dilukshan Kumar and I will be demonstrating my project e-waste Lanka, which is an IT solution for the e-waste management system in Sri Lanka. Moving into the project background, as mentioned earlier, this project revolves around the e-waste management system in Sri Lanka. Talking about the term e-waste, it refers to the electronic waste which have been discarded and could not be used anymore in the future. Next, I will be moving in to the main problem in this system, where we identify if the e-waste management in Sri Lanka is in a satisfactory level or not. The answer for this will be no, and I will be listing down the reasons for it in the latter part of the demonstration. In the screen is a statistic which shows the number of TVs, monitors that are in Sri Lanka and the percentage of them properly disposed. This statistic itself justifies the question raised above. In the problem domain section, I will be listing out the different problems encountered in the current e-waste management system. There are three key users involved in this process, and in this section, I will be discussing on the problems identified by the waste contributors and the recycle companies. The first problem that is identified from the waste contributors end is the unawareness of the e-waste and its bad effect. Next, no motivation to participate since there is nothing gained in return. Difficulties in finding e-waste recyclers to hand over the waste is also considered a problem. The last problem for the waste contributors would be the hassle in segregating waste and the communication constraints. The first problem identified for the recycle company would be the less efficiency in the process due to the traditional methods. Next, the lack of participation from waste contributors in the process. Difficulty in tracking the milestones and planning the future plans is also considered as a prominent problem, also a drawback in the recycle companies. The last problem would be the communication constraints. Next, the project scope emphasizes the key plans that are being put forward to achieve the end goal of developing the IT solution. The project scopes are as follows. Solution is a digital platform to connect the waste contributors, recycle companies, and the waste distributors. A solution that helps the waste contributors to contact recycle companies and hand over waste without any hassle. A solution that enables the recycle company owners to streamline their process and analyze future plans. Also, a solution that caters easy streamlined process for waste contributors to communicate and locate waste contributors. The solution that is built for e-waste Lanka comprises of three different applications. Two mobile applications for the waste contributor and the waste collector respectively, and also a web application for for the recycle company owners. Next, I will be taking you all through the key features that are included in the e-waste Lanka solution. And first, I will be demonstrating the key features of the mobile application developed for the waste contributor. The landing page of the application looks as per the screenshot attached. It contains a classification of the main types of the e-waste which a contributor can contribute. By selecting the appropriate e-waste, a contributor can proceed further. This solution is also inclusive of an image processing component which would capture the details of the e-waste from the image that is been uploaded by a contributor into the mobile application. This feature should be accessed by clicking on the Try Smart Select button option. This is the screen where a contributor needs to add the details of the e-waste that he or she is willing to contribute. Also, the company could also be selected in in this screen. This is another key feature included in the waste contributors mobile application. The contributor is given the privilege to rate a company based on the services received. This rating will also help the other contributors to choose the best company out of all the companies registered with eWaste Lanka. Next, I will be moving into the key features of the Recycle Company Owner's web application. This would be the landing page of this application. This page will display the latest requests that have been assigned to the Recycle Company. The waste details that are entered by the contributor is also displayed in this screen. A company owner could accept or reject a request received based on their business plans. While accepting, an owner could simply assign a waste collector for the collection of the waste in this screen itself. This is the sales values predicting component included in the e-waste Lanka solution. Based on the history data that is fed into the R algorithm, it will compute the data and forecast the future sales values. This shows the component that is included for the reward scheme introduced in the solution. Recycle company owners have the privilege of offering rewards to the liable users based on their contribution. Reward providers can sign up with the companies who offer rewards based on agreed terms and conditions. This process is done offline but posts that they are included in the system. The usage of maps is one prominent feature that is included in the waste collector's mobile application. This could be used by a waste collector to easily locate the waste contributor without any hassle. Next, I will be talking about the uniqueness of the solution that is implemented for e-waste Lanka. The first most uniqueness is that this is the only platform in Sri Lanka which connects the main stakeholders in the waste management process. The next uniqueness is that this includes a streamlined process in placing waste collection request. Also, eWaste Lanka is inclusive of a image processing technology to detect the waste from the images uploaded. This also includes a future transaction quantity predictor for recycle company owners. Also, this is inclusive of a reward scheme in which the who are engaged are benefited. Finally, eWaste Lanka solution uses the maps to locate the waste contributors hassle-free. The last topic that I would be discussing about is the business plan identified. eWaste Lanka will be put to the market with three different subscription plans for the users. The freemium package will include the basic functionalities while the premium package will include more useful features. This package is more focused towards the medium scale companies. The large scale companies are recommended to go with the Premium Plus plan, which includes all the features needed by a company to run their e-waste management process smoothly. Thank you for watching this video.